That shit look like it hurt.
She's cool. She's cool. It's the dick in her. Yeah, you don't got your phone, no phone to take picture with? Oh, I put it on YouTube. Yeah, you could call him. You see how these are just did it? He bends down like, wow.
We gotta take a shower.
Once they do that, make sure like no other male dog come around here, 'cause it might fuck it up. Like if it's not a bullshit. Yeah, you gotta count it from today to 63 days. Yeah. 2 months and 3 days.
How long they gotta be stuck like that?
Oh, for a little bit. Not for long. Ladies and gentlemen, you see my boy Diesel. See that boy. That boy don't play with that coop. She's crying 'cause his dingle ain't too big.
That shit don't hurt her?
Huh?
That shit don't hurt her when she moves around?
It's not like the dingling is flexible. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that boy. Look at the little girl, the little virgin. Today.
What?
Yeah.
You're gonna be getting them birds like you're gonna be getting birds for them on April, May something.
Yeah. Look at that boy right there, boy. She's crying 'cause the dingle ain't too big. Kinda.
So you see her?
Yeah.
It's her first time.
Big ass puppy. Two. One. Get one.
Is that it?
Mm-mm.
I gotta take a shower. I don't want to be smelling like dogs. How many puppies do?
Just give him one. One. One.
Oh yeah, 'cause you lost your other 4.
Look at that boy.
How many puppies did your other dog have?
She have 10.
With him?
She's hurting right now. Look at that. She wants to bite the tail. Look at that. The cock just too big in her. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that cock, ladies and gentlemen. I had to zoom it in so y'all could see my dog cock. I give y'all people in YouTube something to entertain y'all.
It's official.